Or is he purring? So what did you touch that was so soft?
Floof.
Her head?
Yeah, she bumped my hand.
And she let you touch her?
No. Hey, Fred. Come on, Fred. Yeah, you're a good cat.
I bet Jenny could just walk in and pick her up.
Oh, probably.
Pick Fred up, I mean.
Yeah.
Does Fred see me scratching my knee?
I don't know. Right now he's getting a scratch on video. All of America will hear that burp.
Oh, really? This is sound?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
God. Yet another YouTube moment.
Can you send stuff to Facebook also?
Oh, sure.
Hello, baby.
I'm gonna go check on Floof. Hey, Fred, you want to say goodbye to everybody? Come on, say goodbye. Give us a nice meow. Or you could just headbutt me. Yeah, you big goof, you. Bye, Fred.